Okay. So in this video, we actually I'm going to show you how to get out from, you know, the seatbelt position. Seatbelt actually mimics the idea that there's a belt going across you, just like in the car. So when I secure you, I'm going to secure you with one hand over the shoulder, one hand under the armpit. So it mimics that same concept of a belt going across, or the seatbelt going across like that. So you're going to hold me in the seatbelt position. Try not to go for the guillotine. Don't hold the guillotine. Just hold the position, because just for the demonstration, right? So he's holding me. So now I want to get my head out. And I'm going to start to posture up. I'm going to walk this foot up. Then I hold here, I hold here. I want to throw my hips in, so I'm going to do an alligator roll. So from here, I'm going there, and I throw my hips in. A lot of times in this position, the guy's going to try to pull guard. He's going to want to try to guillotine you anyway. But I can stop the guillotine. That's on a different session. So I'm going to start to walk this leg through as close as I can. So now I start to look up, and I cross him over. At this point in time, he still has my neck. So I'm going to start to lift my head up. So I get him on his side a little bit. And I don't want to jump over, because if I jump over, because my head is going to be on the wrong side, my body's on the wrong side. If I jump over, he's going to catch me in the guard. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put my knee on his stomach. I cross the other foot over first. That stops him from being able to open up the guard. And I get cross body. Let's try it again. Stop from here. So again, seatbelt. I start to walk it out. My foot goes up. I start to block this leg over here. Control this arm so he doesn't let go. And I slide my other foot through, just like learn the bulldog choke. Here, I start to walk it through. I drop my hips really close to his legs to trip. I start to look up to off balance him. And I toss him over. My head is on the wrong side. So I'm going to start to walk up so it puts pressure on his shoulder. That knee on his stomach. Cross over the other side. I don't want to jump over, because if I jump over, he's going to catch me in the guard. Catch me in the guard. He catches me there. Now I'm in a guillotine. So to stop that, I slide my knee on his stomach, and I walk the other one over first, so that I have clearance. Let's try one more. Again. So I'm going to shoot it through. Foot up. Secure here, walk that leg all the way over there. My hips are nice and tight. And then I look up. I start looking up at this point. See, my hips are close like this. I start looking up. That takes the weight off his legs. He still keeps it. I want to avoid the guard. Knee goes across, and I change on the other side. Good job. Good.